Today I'm going to show you how to add a room list to your Outlook calendar. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to schedule meetings and want to see room availability alongside your own calendar, making it much easier to coordinate spaces for your events. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account so all your emails and calendar data can load properly. Make sure you give it a moment to fully sync, especially if you have a lot of messages or appointments. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to navigate to your calendar. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see the calendar icon. Go ahead and click on it to switch from your email view to your calendar menu. This is where all your appointments and scheduling tools live. Now that you're in your calendar view, look at the top part of your screen where all your tools are organized under the Home tab. In this section, you need to find the area labeled Manage Calendars. Within that section, you'll see a drop-down button that says Open Calendar. Click on this drop-down to reveal several options for adding different types of calendars to your view. From the list of options that appears, click on From Room List. This is the key step that allows you to add room calendars to your Outlook so you can see when meeting spaces are available or booked. When you click this option, a room list window will pop up on your screen. In this room list window, you'll need to select the contact you wish to add a room with. This might be a colleague, a department, or a specific meeting organizer depending on how your organization has set up room management. Once you've selected the appropriate contact, look at the bottom part of this window where you'll find a button labeled Rooms. Click on this button to proceed with adding the room calendar. After clicking Rooms, you'll finalize the process by clicking OK at the bottom of the window. Give it just a second to process your selection. Once it does, you'll see a calendar displayed alongside your own that shows the contact you've added along with their associated room. This combined view makes it incredibly simple to schedule meetings because you can instantly see when both people and rooms are available. And that's it. You've successfully added a room list to your Outlook calendar, making your meeting scheduling much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.